Are you rushing into filming? Hold up. Pre-production can often be overlooked when starting a new project, driven by the sheer enthusiasm to get rolling or uncertainty about where to begin. In this video, we're looking closely into everything that needs to be covered before the camera starts rolling and why meticulous planning is crucial. Hello, my name is Michael Wolf and I'm an award-winning actor and director, leading the multi-award-winning tailor-made video production company, United Wolves Productions. Let's talk about pre-production. In the previous video, we discussed various ways to tailor a pitch to a client. Now, we start by exploring how we come up with the ideas for that pitch. If our production team reaches out to a client, several options need consideration, and the challenge lies in figuring out which ideas are relevant to each video for each client. Understanding who the client is and what you can offer is key. This means we must research the client thoroughly, understand their industry, services, history, values, and mission statement. For example, a business aiming to expand its reach would benefit greatly from targeted social media content. Another, struggling to communicate its identity clearly, might need a well-planned brand or corporate overview video to build trust, enhance brand recognition, and pre-qualify potential customers by showcasing who they are and what they do. On the other hand, a business relatively unknown in their sector could benefit from a variety of videos, ranging from social media clips to educational videos that inform employees and clients about their operations, processes, and goals. Acquiring this information is crucial as it guides the production company into crafting the most beneficial type of video for the business in question. If the business initiates contact, they likely have a clear expectation of what they are looking for, and the crew would need to work within those guidelines to create the video they are commissioning. This time is used to refine all ideas discussed, maximizing creativity and out-of-the-box thinking to solve potential problems identified during the brainstorming process. All this information is noted and shared between the production company and the business, giving everyone the opportunity to ask questions, exchange information, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Making notes on everything and keeping backups is paramount during pre-production. These notes are used to create a core production brief that stores all discussed information in a well-organized fashion, accessible at all times to everyone involved in the project. The brief can be a collection of ideas discussed at the start during initial meetings, development of these ideas, details of the pitch, budget, client stipulations, and everything in between. The better organized it is, the easier it is to manage when things need to be cross-referenced at any point in the production process. It's always best to keep backups in multiple formats. For instance, on hard drive, an online cloud, and an updated physical copy to use during filming. Having several backups ensures you are prepared for emergencies, especially given the digital-heavy nature of modern video production. Once ideas have been agreed upon, we either go straight to storyboarding the ideas to have a visual representation of the video as discussed, or, on the rare occasion when actors are used, a script is written first. This helps us figure out what type of locations are needed, the set design, who is going to be on screen, what type of direction is needed, the editing, and everything in between. The more detailed it is, the more accurate it is when estimating how long it would take to film everything and what the final runtime would be. These kinds of precautions need to be taken so that the business can still operate while we are shooting their video, allowing the crew to work around them and get what they need to fulfill their obligations. Talking about locations, in commercial video production, the process is a bit different. Typically, the business provides potential locations that are then discussed and selected in collaboration with the production company. This collaboration ensures the chosen environments align perfectly with the video's goals and logistical needs. Even when the location is under the client's control, it's crucial for the crew to visit these places beforehand. This allows them to assess the space for necessary equipment and personnel, enhancing the shoot's efficiency. Virtual tools can also be used when in-person visits aren't feasible, offering a time-saving and cost-effective way to evaluate and plan for the space without being there physically. We usually film at a business's office or work site, but we make exceptions based on the client's needs. For instance, last year we filmed for Man Robert Solicitors at their office. However, since they also handle agricultural and construction cases, we filmed additional material at the construction site and the farm. This not only demonstrated that the firm operates beyond the office, but that they also actively engage with clients in these sectors. Our approach effectively highlighted the firm's commitment to their clients and broadened the portrayal of their values. The final part of pre-production would be making a schedule, outlining how long it would take for the video to be completed. This would be the timeline of the production itself, when filming would be taking place, where the different locations are, and how long it would take to completely edit the video. As video production is a complicated process at the best of times, rather than looking at the minimum amount of time it would take to finish filming, it's always prudent to book in additional hours. This is to ensure that there would be time to troubleshoot problems were they to pop up on the day, so that the crew and the client are not rushed for time, which would affect the quality of the final video. In our case, we always allocate a few extra hours as leeway, because filming can be very unpredictable. Unforeseen issues often arise on the day of the shoot. These can range from weather disruptions, unexpected delays, illness, sound problems on location, essentially anything you can imagine. This is the reason why many clients tend to be surprised about how long filming takes due to all of these variables. Once the schedule is prepared, it must be confirmed by all involved parties to ensure adequate preparation rather than making haphazard arrangements. In short, as a result of the many things that could go wrong at every stage of video production, pre-production helps us to mitigate the risks to the best of the crew's ability, so that everything that has been planned can go as smoothly as possible, while needing to utilize as few of these contingencies as possible. That brings us to the end of pre-production. Next, we will be talking about the challenges that could be encountered when we are on set filming. In the meantime, let us know what challenges you have gone through and overcome during pre-production in the comments below. Leave a like, share this video, and subscribe for more. I've been Michael Wolf from United Wolves Productions. Welcome to the Wolf Pack.